Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a live chat demo for beginners. Now this video will have everything you need on how to use live chat for your business. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here we have the live chat dashboard, which you'll be able to see once you've logged in or signed up for an account. Now all you have to do to access this is look for live chat on your browser, and then it should appear on the first few results of Google. So here you can sign up for free or log in if you already have an account. No credit card needed, and you have a 14-day free trial with AI-driven features. So just enter your business email and then you should be ready to go. Now after 14 days, of course, you're going to have to eventually subscribe to a plan of theirs. But nevertheless, for 14 days, you're free to access their software. So here we have the live chat demo dashboard. Now, live chat is a popular customer service and sales tool designed to facilitate real-time communication between businesses and their customers. Now, again, the main features of live chat include real-time chat, which instantly allows you to communicate with website visitors. You have customizable chat widget, chat routing, canned responses, chat transcripts, file sharing, integrations, chat tags and notes, mobile apps, visitor tracking and engagement, reporting and analytics, 24/7 chatbots, as well as other security features that comply with GDPR and other data protection protocols. So here we actually have a guided tour and walkthrough since we're using a free trial. So first up, we're going to try to run a test chat where you can see both the agents and the customer's perspective. Give me a sec on this. All right, so we're not going to be able to run that test chat since it's being blocked by our Chrome right now, and it's some sort of error on the site itself. But next up, we're going to move on to installing live chat on our website, so you can add widget and other channels to start receiving chats from customers. So just follow this prompt right here, and then you're going to need to connect WordPress or connect your WordPress account, or you can also invite your developer or check the installation guide. This is so that you can add a chat widget to your WordPress site. Also, you can install chat widget manually, so you can copy and paste this code before this code right here, or this tag, the close body tag on every page of your website. So just copy this code and then paste it before this tag. Now we're going to move back to our dashboard. So after the installation of the live chat on your website, you can invite your teammates, so at least 5. So your competitors usually add 9 agents. So it's best to have a steady team available on your site. So here, you just need to add their respective email addresses and then assign the role that they'll get. Of course, this is dependent on what permissions you're going to grant them. And then you can just straight up send invites, or you can also copy an invite link. You can share this link to invite people to live chat. The link expires in 13 days. So just do that, and then you can also add your website as a knowledge source. So you can equip your agents with instant answers and smarter replies. So let's check how this looks. So add URL, enter website URL as a knowledge source for internal assistance of Copilot right here, and as well as for generation or reply suggestions in customer chats. So here, just enter the website URL. Then you can also toggle for internal use only. Source will be used only to support agents in conversations with Copilot, not in customer chats. If you want to check more settings, just click on this button right here. It has an auto update source every after a few days. Then you can also enter a source name. So if left empty, the name will be auto generated. All right, apart from that, we're gonna head back to our dashboard again. And then you can set up a chatbot after adding your website as a knowledge source. Now a chatbot, it helps resolve up to 80% of your customer cares instantly. Here we're gonna start by checking how you can set it up. So we're just gonna let this load. And here you just need to scan your website. So enter the URL of the website that you want to train the bot on. And then once you do that, you can have the chatbot scan your entire website. If you don't want to create a bot from a URL, you can build a custom bot instead. So let's check how this looks. So right here, get additional 7 days for your trial and learn more about chatbot basics and live chat integration. I'm not gonna go through with that for now. This is the bot. So this is a very thorough process actually. So you see you have a start point here. You can edit the name. And then there's a bot response. And then there's AI assist, a default fallback, small talk, transfer to agent, flow. So you can freely control the flow of the chatbot that you wish to add. You have some actions here. Interactions such as user input, bot response, filter, fallback, and then some actions. And then live chat actions. There's also there's also Shopify actions, Shopify flows, Fresh Desk actions, Zendesk actions, and Help Desk actions. We also have some integrations over here. So this is the chatbot integration. And then the version history and some settings over here. You can enable dark mode. Now let's try testing the bot. Okay, this message was not recognized by bot. You can train your bot with this phrase. So again, it's very interactive. So you can freely configure the bot to your liking or to your business needs. So that's it for our chatbot. Now we're just going to head back. And to continue on with the rest of the steps, you can add Facebook Messenger so that you can bring your Messenger chats to live chat. You can add WhatsApp Business to bring your WhatsApp Business chats to live chat. And then you can also add Twilio so you can bring your Twilio chats to live chat, and same with Telegram. So these are just basically some of the common chat platforms that you can integrate with live chat. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.